In this video, you'll learn how to deploy a Claude Code project from a Windows environment. This guide will take you through the necessary steps to ensure your project is ready for deployment, focusing primarily on a Docker-based approach for its robustness. Begin by preparing your project folder. Open your command prompt and navigate to your project directory by typing ccc my Claude project. This command directs you to the specific folder where your Claude project is located. Once in the correct directory, it's essential to ensure that all dependencies are installed. Execute the command and pm install. This will install the necessary packages specified in your project's package.json file. After installing the dependencies, verify that all scripts function correctly in your local environment. You can do this by running nodescript.js. This command will execute your main script to check for any errors. It is crucial to fix any issues identified at this stage before moving on to deployment. If your project requires logging, ensure that the log files are operational to capture runtime information. Next, you will need to decide on your deployment target from your Windows environment. You have several options, including cloud servers such as Linux VPS, Windows Server, or Azure VM. Alternatively, you might consider deploying within a Docker container, which offers excellent portability across different operating systems. Lastly, you could opt for a serverless or platform as a service solution like AWS Lambda, Azure Functions, Render, or Railway. For this tutorial, we will focus on Docker-based deployment as it provides a robust solution. To create a production-ready Docker file, navigate to your project folder and create a file named Dockerfile. In this file, start by specifying the base image with the line from node 20 Alpine. Set the working directory with workday/usr/app. Copy your package files into the container using C epi package JSON. Install production dependencies with ron npm install-production. Next, copy the rest of your project files with C app. It is important to pass the API key at runtime using env claudo_API_key =. Finally, set the command to run your script with cmd nodes script.js. This setup ensures that development dependencies are excluded from your production image. Once your Docker file is ready, open PowerShell to build your Docker image. Use the command docker build-t Claude app. This command will create a container image based on the instructions provided in your Docker file. To confirm that the image has been successfully created, you can use the command docker images, which lists all available images on your local machine. To test the application locally, run the command docker run-rn-e claud_API_key =rn_API_key Claude app. This command will execute the container, allowing you to verify that the project runs correctly. To check for any logs generated during execution, use Docker logs. In container, this step is crucial to ensure that you can troubleshoot. If you wish to push the Docker image to a registry for cloud deployment, you can tag it using Docker tag Claude app, my registry, Claude app, latest, and then push it with Docker push my registry, Claude app, latest. You can utilize various registries such as Docker Hub, Azure Container Registry, or AWS ECR for this purpose. For deployment to a server or cloud, if you choose a VPS or Windows Server, copy your project folder to the server, install Node and Docker, and run the same build and run commands you use locally. If you opt for a platform as a service, most platforms accept Docker images or Node.js projects directly. Ensure to configure the environment variable for claud_API_key and specify the build command as npm install and the start command as node script. For automation, consider using PowerShell scripts to streamline the build, push, and deployment process. You can create a script that includes the commands for building the image, tagging it, and pushing it to the registry. Additionally, combining this with Task Schedulator will allow you to automate scheduled runs, enhancing efficiency. Finally, it's important to implement logging and monitoring for your application. Capture logs in Docker using docker logs-fclaude app or within your application by appending logs to a file using the node.js file system module. This is vital for maintaining operational oversight in corporate or production deployments. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.